Hello students, in this video let us know about Red Data Book. The Red Data Book is a public document that is created for recording endangered and rare species of plants, animals, fungi as well as some local subspecies that are present in a particular region. The Red Data Book helps us in providing complete information for research, studies, and also for monitoring the programs on rare and endangered species and their habitats. This book is mainly created to identify and protect those species which are on the verge of extinction. The book has been created to record the rare and endangered species of plants, animals, fungi, and some local subspecies which is present within the region of the state or country. It is also called as IUCN Red List. It is a type of public document which help us to provide information about research, monitoring and conservation strategies, studies related to the rare and endangered species. Many species have been extinct long before without any information about them to present day. Now let us know what is IUCN. IUCN is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, which was established in 1964, started maintaining the record of all rare and endangered species in Red Data Book. This document is also called as Russian Red Data Book, as this is from Russian Federation. This book contains color-coded information sheets arranged according to the threats to the existence of various species of flora and fauna. The name of this book has its origins in Russia. It was originally known as the Red Data Book of the Russian Federation or the RDBRF. The book was based on research conducted between 1961 and 1964 by biologists in Russia. Hence, it is also called the Russian Red Data Book. International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Currently, the International Union for Conservation of Nature maintains the Red Data Book. The IUCN is the world's most detailed inventory center of the global conservation status of biological species. The IUCN was founded in 1948 with an aim to maintain a complete record of every species that ever lived. The Red Data Book contains the complete list of threatened species. The main aim behind this documentation is to provide complete information for research and analysis of different species. The different colored sheets representing the various categories of threatened species is shown in the figure. The red data book contains color coded information sheets which are arranged according to the extinction risk of many species and subspecies. Black represents species that are confirmed to be extinct. Red represents species that are endangered or at the greater risk of extinction. Umber color represents for those species whose status is considered to be vulnerable or they are getting attacked by other species. White is assigned for species that are rare. Green is for species that were formerly endangered but their numbers have started to recover. Gray color represents the species that are classified as vulnerable, endangered or rare. Now let us see what are the goals of IUCN. It has given the following goals of red data. The goals are to provide scientifically based information on the status of species and subspecies at a global level. To draw attention to the magnitude and importance of threatened biodiversity, to influence national and international policy and decision making, and to provide information to guide actions to conserve biological diversity. Now let us see what are the advantages of this red data book. It helps in identifying all animals, birds and other species about their conservation status. It is used to evaluate the population of a particular species. The data available in this book can be used to evaluate the taxa at the global level. With the help of this book, we can estimate the risk of taxa becoming globally extinct. It provides a framework or guidelines for implementing protective measures for endangered species. Now let us see the disadvantages of the red data book. The information available in the red data book is incomplete. Many species, both extinct and extant, are not updated in this book. The source of the book's data has been speculated and has been mired in controversy. This book maintains the complete record of all animals, plants, other species, but it has no information about the microbes. this was about the Red Data book. Thank you.